In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to use Figma prototypes correctly. Open your project in Figma and let's jump straight into prototyping. I'll be focusing on a common setup, a layout with a sidebar and several main pages. The goal is to create clean, reliable interactions without wiring the same links over and over again. We'll do the work once and then reuse it across your file. Here's the idea. Instead of linking every sidebar item to its page on every single screen, we'll build those links one time on a dedicated sidebar frame. Then we'll convert that frame into a component. Once it's a component, every instance you drop onto a page brings those up prototype connections with it automatically, saving you a ton of repetitive work and keeping everything consistent. Start by selecting your sidebar frame. Switch to the prototype panel in Figma. We'll link each navigation item to its corresponding page. Begin with Home. Click the Home item and drag the blue prototyping node to the home page frame. In the interaction details, keep it simple. On click, navigate to, and choose your preferred animation, like instant for snappy results. That's your home link set. Next, link dashboard to the dashboard page. Again, select the dashboard item in the sidebar. Drag the node to the dashboard frame and confirm the interaction settings. Make sure your target frame is clearly named so it's easy to find and maintain. Do the same for projects, connecting it to the projects page. Consistent naming and clean structure here pay off later when your file grows. If you have multiple project views, choose the main destination frame you want users to land on first. Finally, link history to the history page. Check that each item has exactly one clear interaction, so users aren't confused by accidental hotspots. At this point, your sidebar has a complete set of working links. Now, turn that sidebar frame into a component. With the frame selected, create a component and give it a clear name. The magic is that Figma stores the prototype connections in the main component. From here on, when you add the sidebar to a new page, insert it as an instance from the Assets panel. Drop it into place, and those home, dashboard projects, and history links will already work, pointing to the same target pages. If you ever need to adjust a link, update it once in the main component, and every instance stays in sync. And that's it. Clean, scalable prototyping with minimal rework. Congratulations.